All right, welcome to another crucial and then powerful topic in English known as summary. All right, in the course of this lecture, I'll be putting you through what summary entails and, of course, what we need to answer questions under summary. What is summary? Summary has to do with writing in short or in concise or in brief of a very long passage or expression after removing all the relevant ideas or expressions. All right. So summary demands that all of those ideas that are not relevant, you remove them and put the ones that are considered to be germane or crucial. All right. So in the course of this lecture, we are going to let you know how to remove these irrelevant ideas with a view to putting out just the ones that are vital or essential. Now, check the example here on the board. All right. Now, we'll read this passage, then we'll remove the irrelevant ideas, then we'll get to know what the writer is talking about here. I read. Follow me while we read. She was always praised by men in the village. Men, boys, women, and children, yet unborn, stared at her each time she passed. Her eyes were blue, her legs were straight, and her skin glittered. We take that again. She was always praised by men in the village. Men, boys, women, and children, yet unborn, stared at her each time she passed. Her eyes were blue, her legs were straight, and her skin glittered. All right? In your exam, they ask you, in one sentence, describe the quality of the lady in question. By the time you are not acquainted with what summary entails, you'll be writing the relevant things. She had blue eyes. Each time she passed, men will praise her. Then the examiner will think you don't know what you are doing. All right? Because all of those things are irrelevant. That's why we say summary entails removing all the irrelevancies. All right? And putting down in concise, that which is considered sine qua non or germane or important. All right? Now look at it. In all of this, what do you think the writer is describing? What do you think about the lady in question here? All right? That each time she passed, men would stare at her. Each time she passed, boys would look at her. Each time she passed, women looked at her. Each time she passed, children yet unborn, which is hyperbole, even looked at the lady in question. What's that about this girl or this lady in question? All right? That her eyes were still blue. All right? Then she was very straight. Then her skin glittered. By the time they ask you in a single sentence, describe the girl. Describe her this way. She's beautiful. And that's all. All right? In one sentence, describe the girl. She's beautiful. And that's that. Everything here becomes irrelevant. If you want to, begin to put them down, it becomes unimportant. They are not necessary. What they are just talking about here is the lady in question is very beautiful. All right? Now, again, what I've just said, she's beautiful. Look at the definition I gave on the board. You write in concise after removing all the relevancies. By the time you write, she is beautiful. All right? You put full stop here. In one sentence, you have described this lady in question here. Every other thing you are going to add is irrelevant. Forget about the fact that children look at her. Why do children look at her? It's because of her beauty. Why is the writer saying the legs of the girl are quite straight? It's because she's beautiful. Why is the writer saying the eyes are? Because she's beautiful. Everything boils down to beauty. So by the time you put all of those things, you don't need them. You're only creating problem for yourself. Okay? So that's that. And again, what I've just said draws my attention to what I refer